Understanding, I'm feeling uneasy, a guide to expressing discomfort in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but deeply expressive phrase in the English language, I'm feeling uneasy. Understanding and using this phrase correctly can help you better express your feelings and connect with others. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of this phrase together. When someone says, I'm feeling uneasy, they're expressing a sense of discomfort or anxiety. This uneasiness can stem from various sources. It might be due to a specific situation, a feeling about a person, or even uncertain future events. The key here is that the discomfort is not usually intense or overwhelming. Rather, it's a subtle, nagging feeling that something isn't right. I'm feeling uneasy is a versatile phrase that can be used in many contexts. Here are a few. Social situations. If you're at a gathering and something doesn't feel right, you might say you're feeling uneasy to express your desire to leave. Personal relationships. When discussing your feelings about a relationship that's causing you stress or discomfort. Work or academic environments. If a project or task is causing worry or doubt, expressing that you're feeling uneasy can be a way to start a conversation about your concerns. It's a phrase that conveys vulnerability and honesty, making it a powerful tool for communication. Let's look at a few examples to better understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. 1. I'm feeling uneasy about this trip. The weather forecast doesn't look good. Here, the uneasiness is about a specific, future event. 2. Ever since the meeting, I've been feeling uneasy about our project's direction. This reflects a work-related concern. 3. I'm feeling uneasy in this crowd. I think I'd like to go home. An example of using the phrase to express discomfort in a social setting. When someone tells you they're feeling uneasy, it's important to respond with empathy and support. Here are a few ways you can respond. Do you want to talk about what's making you feel uneasy? Is there anything I can do to help you feel more comfortable? It's okay to feel uneasy. Let's figure this out together. Offering support can help the person feel understood and less alone in their feelings. I'm feeling uneasy is a phrase rich with emotional depth, perfect for expressing a range of discomforts and anxieties. As we've explored, it can be applied in numerous situations to communicate feelings accurately and initiate supportive conversations. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in expressing and responding to feelings of uneasiness. Remember, it's okay to feel uneasy, and sharing those feelings is a step towards understanding and support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.